Okay, so we start in chapter 9 about the weather and unit 2, our climate. So before we start, we have thing to do is reviewing. So the first, you have to review about the vocabulary that you have learned. So you have to do a word search. Okay, word search is like a word puzzle. Okay, it's like that. So I would like you to draw on the screen. Do you know how to draw? Okay, I'm going to show you. So you can draw by putting the annotations. Example, like I see the word PM. Okay, so I draw on the screen. Okay, yeah. So if you see another word that related to our unit 1, you can start drawing it. Okay, so now you can do it in 5 minutes. You can start from right now. Okay. Okay, so thank you very much. So now we can check the answer. So let me show you the possible answer. Okay, here with the word cloudy, rainstorm, rainy, focus, and thunder. So I have seen that you have done it very well, right? Thank you very much. So we can move to the next is reviewing the grammar. Okay, let me clear the screen. Yep. So for grammar, have you still know or understand about relative pronouns? Okay, let me ask you, Niniet. Hello, Niniet.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me a few of relative pronouns have you learned?
Myself, yourself, child is right.
A relative pronoun, example like who,
Who, whom, which,
anything else? Who, whom, which. Okay, yeah, thank you. Maybe other can help you. So who? Can you have your friend? Who, whom, which? What else?
Who, whom, which, and that.
And that. Okay, thank you. So we have who, whom, whose, yeah, which, and that. Very good. And here are the things that you have learned, but I just giving you another thing that made it clear. So the word who is used as the subject. You can replace the word I, she, he, we, they. Okay, example, this is the man who broke the window. Okay, for whose, show possessions or relationship. Okay, she knew the family whose house we bought. Okay, so whom replace the object pronoun me, her, him, us, and then use as the object. This one used as the subject. They have found the lady whom they want to review. Okay, and which the clause that begin with are mostly always non-restrictive. Non-restrictive, it means that the clause or the phrase that is not important, so you can delete it. And we recognize the non-restrictive by comma. Okay, we put a comma between it. ជាងគ្រូសូមបន្ថែមចំពោះ non-restrictive relative clause គឺសំដៅទៅលើ clause ដែលវាមិនចាំបាច់មានន័យថា clause ហ្នឹងអាចមិនសំខាន់ទេអ្នកណាក៏អាចដឹងដែរអូខេជាងយើងអាចធ្វើការដាក់ comma បាទគៀបវាសងខាង example my precious blue lamp which was in the room was broken អញ្ចឹងគេដឹងថាពណ៌របស់អំពូលហ្នឹងគឺពណ៌ខៀវជានៅពេលដែលគាត់ចូលទៅដូរគឺគាត់ដូរអំពូលពណ៌ខៀវអញ្ចឹងតាមពិតគឺគេបានប្រាប់ហើយនេះណាបាទគេថាវាច្បាស់ហើយអញ្ចឹងក៏គេបញ្ជាក់បន្ថែម and the word that clause that begin with that are almost always restrictive clause អូខេអញ្ចឹងចំពោះ that នេះវាផ្ទុយពី which អញ្ចឹង that គឺសំដៅទៅលើ restrictive clause មកថាគឺជា clause ដែលចាំបាច់ដែលយើងអត់មានដាក់ comma ទេ example the lamp that was in my room was broken អញ្ចឹងយើងអត់ដឹងថាអំពូលហ្នឹងនៅណាទេបាទវាមានអំពូលនៅក្នុងផ្ទះបាយអំពូលនៅក្នុងបន្ទប់ទឹកអំពូលនៅក្នុងបន្ទប់គេងបាទជាវាមានច្រើនអញ្ចឹងយើងបញ្ជាក់ប្រាប់គេដើម្បីឲ្យដឹងថាតើអំពូលមួយណា so this is what that non-restrictive and restrictive tell you about to know. Okay, so in speaking maybe you don't need to speak comma, right? So we don't know, but in writing you have to show the the reader to know that you refer to non-restrictive or restrictive clause. Okay, so I have something for you to do more is reviewing by doing the quiz. Okay, quizzes in the app of quizzes. So I'm going to send you the link to do it. Okay, so please wait. Please wait. Okay. Okay, now you can see, we can see your friend have participated. Yeah, 15 students right now. So we still wait for another 1 minute, and then you can start it. Okay, so hurry up. So we can see some friend. Okay, okay, good. Well done, everyone. You have joined it quickly. Okay, so now I can start it. Let me see the participate. Okay, 2 more. Hurry up, 2 more. So if your internet connection is slow, you can leave the Zoom for a short time, and then you can come back in another 5 minutes later, and you can join it. Okay, so without any further delay, we can start game right now. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's start. Who can start first? Let's see. Okay, yep. Now we're waiting for your result in another 5 minutes, okay? Okay, so now let me count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, our quiz stop. So you can see the result on the screen. You can go to your screen in the Zoom. Okay, number 1 is Mayho, number 2 is Tavat, number 3 is Nimul, right? Let's check about your accuracy. So how good you are. Okay, congratulations to Mayho and Tavat, 100%. Okay. And for the other, Nimul, Garang is okay. Sasda is okay. Soklang, okay. Yeah. So start from number 5, Soklang. So everyone have to do it again. Maybe you have some problem, right? So that question have 20 questions. So you have to do it at least 80 completed, right? I mean, you can do it wrong after 2 or 3. It means that 80%. So I will send the link again to you, and I will share the name who have to do it again. Okay, let me screenshot the thing for you. Okay, please wait. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, now we can go to our slides back. Okay, can start here. Okay, here the link that you're gonna do it again, but after class, not now. So now go to our books again. So you are going to look at the picture and tell what do you see in the picture here, right? Have number 1 and number 2. So you have 1 minute to think about it, and then I'm going to ask you, what do you see in the picture? Okay, what do you see in the picture? Or anyone can tell me right now. Soklang. Can you tell me what do you see in the first picture?
I see people, tree, house.
Anything else? And do you think where are they in number 1?
I think they are at the countryside.
Countryside. Okay. Thank you very much. What about Sophie? Hello, Sophie. Are you here, Sophie?
Yes, teacher. Yes,
Okay,
teacher.
what about number 2? What do you see and where are they?
Number 2, I think they are at the farm. At the farm, to uh, to make something at there.
Anything else?
As
Okay.
like
They are plowing, right?
yeah, sure.
Okay, yeah, thank you. They are plowing because it is with little rain, right? Thank you very much. Okay, Thavat. Hello, Thavat.
Yes, sure.
Okay, Thavat, in Cambodia, how many seasons are there? Do you know?
2.
2. What are they?
Dry season and rainy season.
So according to your answer, and you can look at the picture. So 1 and 2, which one is dry season and which one is a rainy season?
Dry season is picture number 1.
And number 2?
And rainy picture number 2.
Okay, very good. So to confirm, Niniet. Hello, Niniet.
Yes, sir.
Niniet, number 1 again. What season is it?
Dry season, and number 2 is rainy season.
Okay, yeah. Thank you very much, right? Thank you, everyone. So we can go to our vocabulary. So our climate. Here you can look at this picture. This is the climate that is moving and telling you about the weather around the world, not our Cambodia. So we have 6 vocabulary. So number 1 is blocks. Okay, so the block is a verb. Number 2 is clearly, is an adverb. Number 3 is crisis. Number 4 is downpour. Okay. Number 5 is temperature. And number 6 is predict. Okay, is a verb. So you're gonna match it to A, B, C, D, E, F to find the correct answer. And you have 5 minutes to do it. Okay, start from right now. You can start. So now can check the answer together. So number 1 is block. So Mai Hoa, what is your answer for number 1, block?
Number 1 is D.
D, can you read the answer?
To close off by putting something in the way.
Okay, and can you tell about the meaning in Khmer or translation? What mean block in Khmer?
Bật bang.
Bật bàng, okay, very good, right? Madi, hello Madi.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, number 2, clearly. So what is your answer?
My answer is F.
F, can you read it?
Without a doubt, sure.
Yeah, do you know the translation in Khmer?
Bah lo à?
Bà lò rồi có chữ bà. Okay, yeah, thank you. Dân dương gì bị tất là bị phá là chui. Cái Sasda, number 3. Hello, Sasda.
Yes, sure.
Okay, number 3, crisis. What is the answer?
Letter E.
E, can you read? A situation.
A situation that is difficult or hard to deal with.
Okay, so can you translate it for the class?
Bị bật.
Yeah, bị bad. Thank you very much. Okay, number 4, Cholasa. Hello, Julsa. Number 4.
Number 4, downpour.
Mm-hmm.
A very heavy rain.
For heavy rain in Khmer, what do we call?
Clean.
Clean khlang. Okay. Thank you. Animal number 5. Temperature.
C. The
C.
degree of cold in an environment.
Mm-hmm. So what do we translate it in Khmer?
Say con up here.
Yeah, okay. Good. Okay. Gạch Liang, you are the last one. So predict. What is the answer? It will
I
be
think
B.
B.
Okay. Can you read it?
To stay ahead of time that something will happen.
Mm-hmm. Can you translate in Khmer?
ព្យាករ
Yeah, Pshiko. Thank you very much, right? Okay. So we can move to the next slide. It is talking about our lesson. So these are the questions that you have to answer using your own understanding about our Cambodian. So question number 1, when is the hottest time of the year? So can you think that when is the hottest time? You can talk about the months, okay? From what months to what month, okay? When is the coldest time of the year, okay? From which month to which month? Okay, number 3, when is the rainy season? Okay, number 4, when is the dry season? Okay, number 5, what bring down the temperature during the rainy season? And number 6, is the weather always reliable? Why? Reliable means trust, okay, trusted. Can you trust the weather? Yes or no? And yes, why? And no, why not? So you can use your own understanding about our Cambodia. So let me ask Bun Rong. Hello, Bun Rong. How do you think about the hottest time of the year? Can you hear Bun Rong?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you tell the month that is the hottest time?
The hottest time of the year is November.
November. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. We will check it after you read. Lier. Hello, Lier. Lier, are you here, Lier?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when is the coldest time of the year in Cambodia?
I think that October to January.
Okay. Yeah. Very good. And Dawan. Hello, Dawan. Dawan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Number 3. When is the rainy season?
I think it
From what month to what month, or what is the exactly months that is rainy?
From August.
August. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. And Sasda, what about dry seasons? From what month to what month? Sasda, are you here? Okay, so let's move to O'Neill. Hello, O'Neill, are you here? O'Neill. Okay, so maybe we got it. Yes. So when is the dry season, do you think? When is the dry season, do you think? Okay, maybe she have a
November to April.
okay, November to April. Okay, thank you. What about Karang, number 5? So what do you think? What bring down temperature during the rainy season?
I think the rain.
The rain, okay. Only the rain.
And maybe also the winds.
Okay, yeah, the rain and the wind. Thank you. And Mai Hoa, is the weather always reliable? Why? I cannot hear from you, Mehua. Can you answer again, please?
I think the weather is not always reliable because it's always changing.
Yeah, okay, very good, right? So now, in order to know about the answer, right or wrong, you can go to the reading. So you can also read on your book on page 51 and 52. At this one, I just copy it from the book and keep it in the slide for you to let's see together. Okay. So I would like to ask a volunteer to read the first paragraph for the class louder. Anyone volunteer? Anyone? If no volunteer, I will ask you to read. Anyone? No, right? Okay, let Nimol, can you help me for the first paragraph, please, for your friend louder?
Like all countries in the Southeast Asian region, the climate in Cambodia is hot, or at least warm. The hottest month is April, when temperatures reach their highest point at midday. For farmers, this is the time when the heat makes it impossible to work in the fields, even with a hat on. The coolest months, on the other hand, are December and January, when temperatures reach their lowest point during the night.
Thank you very much. Okay, now move to next. Karang, okay, can you help for the second paragraph, please?
Cambodia has two seasons, the dry and the rainy. During the dry season, from November to April, the wind blows from the northeast and the sky is clear almost every day. During the rainy season, from May to October, the winds blow from the southwest, bringing rain almost every day. Even when it doesn't actually rain, cloud block the sun and bring down the temperature during much of the day.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, the last one, Sok Lang, can you read for the last paragraph?
Clearly, the weather is not going to be the same every day when it isn't. However, some people think that the climate must be changing almost every day, almost every year. They either complain that the dry season is too dry and the rainy season is too wet, or the dry season isn't dry enough, or the heavy rain isn't wet too much. Rain or sudden downpour come as a hard shock and it make it terrible crisis. If they are a flood, they panic and predict that the world is about to end.
Yeah, okay, thank you very much. Okay, so after you have read, and also you can print your book out to look, and then you have to answer the same question, because after you read, you may have the answer right. So you still have another 5 minutes to make a correct answer with the reading. Okay, we can start from right now. You can start. Answer. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the answer and you check with me that your answer and my answer is correct or not. And if you have question, you can ask me for more. Okay, so in number one, when is the hottest time of the year? The answer is the hottest month is April. Okay, and when is the coldest month of the year? It is from December and January. There are 2 months. It's very cold. And the rainy season starts from May to October. You have to remember. Okay, the dry season is start from November to April. Okay, and what brings temperature down is the wind blows from the southwest, bring rain and clouds block. Okay, sun. Okay, number 6. Is the weather reliable? No, it isn't. The weather isn't going to be the same as every year. Okay. So do you have any question or You want to change something from the answer? We can discuss right now. Anyone? Gậy Liếng. Hello, Gậy Liếng.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. Any question?
No.
No. Okay. Thank you. Let me ask one more. Julsa. Hello, Julsa. Any question? Any question?
No.
Or you have
No.
something? No. Okay. So thank you very much. We can move to the next things is discuss. Okay. So for discuss, we have to discuss in group. So we are going to do the breakout room for our Zoom. So I will make it as maybe 4 groups. Okay. Maybe one group 4, 5 or 6 students because we have 23 students. So maybe 3 group is 6. Okay. And another group is only 5. So let's read the questions. So question number 1, what time of this year? What time of this year? So you're talking about the months. And what weather do you usually get at this month, at this time of the year? Yeah. So can you guess about the weather? I mean last year. So what do you usually get another year? Okay, and number 3, what is the temperature like inside and outside at the moment? Can you open your window? Or can you go inside to your house? What is the temperature inside and outside? Okay, number 4, look at the weather out of your window. What is it like? Okay. What can you see? Okay, you talk about the weather today. And number 5, is the weather usual for this time of year? If not, why? Why not? Talk about the weather of this year, right? You think it's changing or not? Okay, number 6, is the weather now the same as it was about the years yesterday? And do you think that today and last year, last year, it is the same or not? Okay, number 7, does the weather now look as if it might change soon? And why? Now you think it is change or not? You change from, like we can say at my house is sunny and cloud. It will change to rainy or not? Okay, number 8, what do you think about the weather? Do you think it is important and why? Do you think that it is important? Okay, number 9, how do we feel about the weather? Do you like the weather at the moment? Okay, how do you feel about weather? You like it and it's made you very hot, or it made you very cold or something else? And do you like it or not? Okay, the last one, what weather is your favorite weather? Rainy or dry? Why? What do you like doing at this time? Okay, what do you like doing in the rainy season that you like, or dry season? Okay, so now we start make a breaking room. So please wait. Okay, breakout room. So I'm gonna make it as a 4 group. Okay, 5, sorry. So I will arrange you. Okay, I will arrange for you. Okay. So Karang, you are in group 1. Okay, you are the leader. Group 2, Mui Lim, you are the leader. Okay. Group 3, Nimol, you are the leader. And group 4, let me find someone that can help you. Maybe Sophia. Okay. Right. Okay. For the next, we'll arrange group 1. Okay. Please wait. Bùn Rong, Dạ Sa. Okay. Liệt. Okay. Sophie. And to group 1, only 5 students. Okay. Group 2. Group 2, okay. Xuân Hú. Xuân Hú, Lý Ơ. Okay, that one. Sasda, and Mati. Okay. Okay, group 3 for Kuang, Soklang, Thawat, Nieng, Mạnh Hồng. Okay. And the last group, okay, for all, right? Okay, now I start the room, right? So you can go and discuss it. Everyone, are you in the room now? Hello. Hello. Hello, group 1.
Hello, teacher.
Yeah. So you can start your discussion, okay? You can open your book, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Open your course book and discuss for right now. Thank you very much. I go to group 2. Hello, everyone. Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Yeah, welcome back. So after you have discussed, I think you will speak from my planning, but because of the time, so we can change it from speaking to writing. So in each group, okay, like a Karang group or other group, Mui Lim, okay, Sok Lang, and other group, you can submit me your piece of paper with your paragraph, okay. So you can manage your answer to be a paragraph and capture and send to me. So there are 4 pieces of work from 4 groups. You get it? Okay, Karang?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, okay, very good. It's okay, Sok Lang? Hello?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, okay, so maybe everyone understand. So don't forget at the end or anytime you're free, but only this day. Cho nên không ngày nâng nè. Okay, move to the homework. So for the homework for today, you have to answer 3 questions. How many seasons are there in Europe? What are they? Tell me about the season. If you don't know, please go and do the research in the internet. And which season do you like the most and why? If you want to see and view the season, you can go to the YouTube. Okay. And the last one, when does your favorite season start? Talk about the months, from what month to what month. Okay. So I hope that you know. So any question for today? Anyone, any question about the homework and also something else?
No.
Okay, if no, thank you for today and for your participate and for your working so hard. Okay, I hope that everyone can protect from again the COVID-19.